Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this super simple DIY rustic 3-tier tray from Dollar Tree. I wanted to make sure that the top tier was not going to be too heavy because I am propping it up with plastic and not with the typical glass candle holders, okay? I think I did a little too much work for what it is. Either way, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get on to the DIY. I'm using 2 of the Dollar Tree chargers and then also a large clear tray from the wedding section. Also one of these tea light holders. They do have several sizes and I got the shorter one. I'm also going to be using 2 of these shot glasses. I have this wooden knob that was just sitting in my stockpile, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Before I start the video, I do want to thank Fowong and FastView TV for sponsoring this video. I always like sharing good deals with you guys, and one way that we're saving money is by completely getting rid of cable, satellite, or anything like that. We do use free streaming services, but something that we've really been liking is this TV antenna. This one is an HD TV antenna that gives you all the local channels, or most of the local channels. I will be sharing a link for you guys to get your own antenna at a discounted price. This is super easy to set up. It looks more complicated on the paper, I realized. It comes with the power insert, and then the antenna itself is flat, and it comes with a sticker so you can put it on the wall or the window. The window is probably the best place to put it on. It also has the multi-directional thing on the antenna itself to get reception from different spots. To set it up, all you have to do is connect the antenna to the power insert, and then these 2 go plugged in on the back of your TV. So once it's plugged in, you just scan for channels, and for mine, it worked right away. As you can see, it's a little bit choppy, so I did put my antenna a little bit higher than what it was, and it cleared it up. So now I can enjoy a good old episode of Jerry Springer. Jerry. You guys know you love that show and all its drama. And so I'm just scanning through the channels, see what I can find, and everything is pretty crisp and clear. Now I can enjoy my local channels without having to pay anything other than the price for the antenna. So remember, you guys, if you want to enjoy this, also make sure you check out the link below and get your very own at a discounted price. So for the very top of my tier, I'm going to take my charger and then also my wood burning tool. And then if you guys can see this little edge right around here, on the opposite side, I'm going to take my wood burning tool and then melt right through it. What you guys can do is just use a regular plastic plate. I didn't have that on hand, so I had to cut this up. I had to use what I had on hand, and I didn't want to make it too heavy on the top tier, so that's why I didn't use a glass plate. And then also, if you guys didn't know, Brillo pads are perfect for sanding down rough edges. So all I'm going to do after this is just paint everything, my shot glasses, my candle holders, my plates, and all that. If you guys are wondering about the paint color, I honestly don't know what color it is. It's just a thing of oops paint that I got at either Lowe's or Home Depot.
This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win.
At the very top of one of the shot glasses, I'm going to go ahead and fill this with the hot glue. And then I'm going to let it dry. A lot of you also wonder why I use E6000 glue and hot glue together. Well, the hot glue helps things bond really quickly, and then the E6000 glue helps it last longer.
Just let it go and trust me if you love me so. You win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't.
That is it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave Milani down here a big thumbs up. And yes, go ahead and tell me that I put way too much work on that top tier. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.